In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to track your shifts. Let's navigate to Work Organization and click on My Workdays. On this page, all your hours and shifts will be visible along with vacation days and sick leaves. You can filter out the dates here. In order to assign yourself, check out our How to Create a Workday tutorial. On this list, we have the following additional options. We can add a note for our shift what we did that day. Additionally, we can add an attachment if it's needed on the shift. Lastly, we can enter the hours worked for that workplace. Please note that if a workday has been locked, we cannot edit our hours anymore, since that part was finalized by administration. The option will be grayed out. Finally, if an employee is on a fixed salary, the options to enter hours will be grayed out, or if a sick leave was created. Thank you very much for watching this video. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions.